Hidden in plain sight, there lies a spiky green miracle, a plant that's been revered for centuries, from ancient Egypt to modern skincare aisles. It's more than just a decorative succulent. It's aloe vera, nature's very own pharmacy. Today, I'll dive deep into the fascinating world of aloe vera, discover its unbelievable health benefits, its skin-transforming powers, and how to use it the right way for glowing skin, shiny hair, and a healthier life. Aloe vera is a succulent plant species of the genus Aloe. The gel inside its thick, fleshy leaves is rich in over 75 active compounds, including vitamins A, C, and E, enzymes, minerals like zinc and magnesium, amino acids, and powerful antioxidants. It's anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, hydrating, and packed with nutrients. No wonder the ancient Egyptians called it the plant of immortality. Let's start with what aloe vera is most famous for: skincare. This humble gel can be your skin's best friend. Soothes sunburn. Aloe vera gel has cooling properties that reduce redness, swelling, and pain. It's like a natural after-sun lotion. Treats acne. Thanks to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, it helps calm acne, prevents future breakouts, and heals scars. Hydrates. Dry skin. It moisturizes without clogging pores, perfect for oily or sensitive skin types. Anti-aging power. With its antioxidants, aloe vera fights fine lines and restores your skin's youthful glow. Extract the gel from a fresh aloe vera leaf. Apply it directly to cleansed skin. Leave on for 10-20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Use daily for best results. Pro tip: mix aloe vera gel with a few drops of vitamin E oil for an anti-aging face mask. Struggling with hair fall, dandruff, or dry scalp? Aloe vera might just be the secret to luscious locks. Strengthens hair roots. Enzymes in aloe vera help repair dead skin cells on the scalp. Promotes hair growth. It boosts blood circulation and delivers vital nutrients to hair follicles. Reduces dandruff. Its antifungal properties combat dandruff and itchiness. Adds shine. It naturally conditions hair, making it soft, shiny, and manageable. Blend aloe vera gel until smooth. Apply to the scalp and hair. Massage gently and leave on for 30 minutes. Rinse with a mild shampoo. DIY hair mask. Mix aloe vera gel with coconut oil and apply it once a week for deep nourishment. Aloe vera doesn't just work wonders on the outside, it can heal from the inside too. Boosts digestion. Aloe vera juice soothes the digestive tract, relieves constipation, and promotes regular bowel movements. Supports immunity. Packed with antioxidants, it helps fight free radicals and inflammation. Detoxifies the body. It flushes out toxins and supports liver function. Balances blood sugar. Some studies suggest it helps regulate blood glucose levels in diabetics. Use only food-grade aloe vera juice, not cosmetic gel. Mix 2 tablespoons of aloe juice with a glass of water and drink on an empty stomach. Limit intake to a few times per week unless advised otherwise by a healthcare professional. Caution: excessive consumption can lead to side effects like diarrhea or electrolyte imbalance. Always consult your doctor if you have any medical conditions. Aloe vera is now a staple in many products, from face washes and lotions to juices, shampoos, and even toothpaste. But the best and most effective way to use it? Go natural. Keep a small aloe vera plant at home. It's easy to grow and gives you fresh gel on demand. No preservatives, no chemicals. So the next time you see an aloe vera plant, remember, it's not just a pretty green thing, it's a powerhouse of healing. From your skin to your scalp to your stomach, aloe vera has got you covered. Have you used aloe vera before? Let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more natural health tips and beauty remedies. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy, stay natural.